Welcome to Wired In. Today we're talking about lighting.
You know, what is going on right now in this facility? Is the system in place working? Is it optimal? So it's really educating them on these systems are okay, right? They're working just fine, right? It may be just that we repair and maintain what's there and we don't spend any money. But then there might be a facility that's in extreme disrepair that's being costly and more costly over time to maintain. So then we start looking at technology that can help solve that problem. And I think really what's disappointing the industry today is a lot of companies say, let's just go gangbusters. Let's do controls, let's do IoT, let's do a high-end control solution. Let's do a dashboard, let's do remote connectivity. Your regional managers can log in, your owner can log in, they can change the lighting, they can make changes, but we do all that and they don't use it. Right? It's not useful. It doesn't provide any value to them. And that's the really disappointing part about this industry, and that's where we're at, is technology has come a long way. There's some really exciting things out there. You know, even helping people waywardly find their way through a grocery store is available, right? You can onboard that onto a lighting fixture. You can have the app on your phone as an employee to pick stuff off the shelf, but as a patron, I can go find the milk faster, right? So those are really exciting parts of technology, but is it right? Do we need it? Is it going to be used? And I think 9 times out of 10 today, people are buying technology that's not being utilized. A good example is on the lighting industry is fine-tuning color changing, right? So you've got fixtures today that can carry the same color temperature as the sun over a day's time. Pretty cool, right? You walk in and it's the morning, it's kind of blue, right? And as it gets late in the day, it kind of turns a little warm and maybe it dims a little bit to get it more warm and inviting. Pretty cool technology, but do you really need that? You know, it's a great idea for a home, but in a retail space, does that make sense? I don't know. I mean, that's where we have to listen and learn, and that's where we have to say, is this really the right technology for the facility?
Hey, thanks for watching. Before you go, 3 quick things. First of all, if you like this content and you want to see more of it, hit the like and subscribe button down below. We're going to be releasing these on a regular basis. So while you're down there, hit the notification bell, and when we come out with new content, you'll be notified. This is a community that's built on your questions, your comments, and your participation. There are 2 ways that you can participate in that. One, obviously, ask questions in the comment section down below or make a comment. We'd love to know what you hear. Also, we're taking your comments, putting them together, and there is a companion podcast that goes along with this video where we're going to answer all of your questions and all of your concerns that you have around this topic or any others. Look in the show notes down below for links to the podcast or any of our other content. Thanks, guys.